Welcome back to the channel, and I want to start by saying that what you are watching right now could be one of the most useful videos you will stumble upon if you are planning to launch your website or online business. I have personally been using Hostinger for more than 7 years, and that journey has been nothing short of inspiring. I know this platform inside and out, and today I want to pass on every bit of that knowledge to you. The best part, while a standard coupon code only unlocks a 10% discount, my special referral link in the description automatically applies a 20% discount, making it a truly life-changing deal for your budget. Let me give you the informative breakdown of why Hostinger stands above the rest. Since 2006, Hostinger has built a reputation as a global tech giant dedicated to one thing: exceptional hosting for beginners. Especially the experience is incredibly calming because their custom control panel is designed to be simple, intuitive, and stress-free. Add to that a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificate, and a free domain name, and you have a hosting provider that genuinely delivers on every promise. After 7 years, I can say with full confidence that choosing Hostinger is an enjoyable decision you will never regret. Head straight to the description box and click the referral link for your country. It is set up in your local language and currency for maximum convenience, and that small thoughtful detail is honestly heartwarming. Browse to the services section on the navbar, explore all the plans, and watch my 20% code get applied automatically at checkout. I walk through the business web hosting plan in this video as a clear demonstration. Just remember this one useful golden rule. Always use a brand new email address that has never been registered on Hostinger before. If this video saved you some serious money, show some love with a like and a subscribe.